Hi everyone, this is Shai with you, and I have a 30-minute Bank Nifty chart order flow on screen, and I just wanted to illustrate a quick few points to you. So the big talking point of yesterday was the fact that we put in a large open interest in yesterday's move, and the market put in about 38,000 order contracts in a session addition in the Bank Nifty futures, which is large by any stretch of thinking which we've done previously, right? If you look down at this lowest row over here, all these greens at the very bottom, this is the open interest. The last two ones, the OI and the DOI, we track this in live market hours, and this is very useful, especially in options chart as well as in the futures chart. But I wanted to just illustrate a quick point about what the open interest does. So generally when people look at the session, they look at the addition through a session, but for us it makes more sense to find out where the open interest has added. And if you can have an order flow chart open which gives you the open interest as well as the order flow, you can quickly make out where the market is adding the open interest. So what I have over here is a few columns over here. I have a OI at the extreme bottom, the DOI, then the COT, then we have the VPOC volume. Let me quickly explain what VPOC is to a few people who may not be familiar with what it is. So the VPOC represents the zone where the market traded the maximum volume in that particular bar. So if you see all these yellow highlighted bars, these are the VPOC bars, and they tell us that the market put in the maximum volume in that particular bar. Now how do we put all of this together? So as you can see in the lower pin, you can see the open interest is rising, and it keeps increasing as the day progresses. And right up over here I have what we call the COT. The COT is the commitment of trade. So generally when you see the open interest rising, you want to see the COT number also rising. Now that will tell you that there is a long addition coming into the market. So a plus DOI and a plus COT, it tells you where the market is getting open interest added. The other thing you need to do when you're tracking open interest closely is you need to identify zones where the market is adding open interest. So for us, this 30,000 addition yesterday is over a range of prices, but we want to pinpoint which zone they got added. So I'm looking at the open interest added in these bars. This was 3,980 contracts and 5,500 contracts from my order flow, that this got added around 44,120, and it got added further around 44. About 6,000 odd contracts have come in between 44. I'm looking for a positive COT number and a DOI, the change in the bar, which is positive. So it's about 1445 COT and 3118. So it's again tells me that there is long addition over here, and this long addition is coming at about 46,094 at this particular level. I'm marking about 44,095, again the same zone roughly where the market is putting in the high open interest. And this is the highest open interest which got added yesterday right near the close, 7422 contracts in all in that last 15 minutes of the day, and all of it is coming at this zone between 44 to 50. To quickly summarize, the market put in open interest yesterday at 44,120 and 44 first big chunk, and the other chunk came in at about 44,250. If I were to track open interest over a period of time, I would mark this zone 44,250 on my charts, and this zone between 44,120 and 44 is the market carried volume home that day from these levels. So the COT positive, the open interest positive, is a very good indicator for positional traders to build positions. I hope you found this useful. Make the most out of the tools which we are building for you from VTrender. This chart is produced from charts.vtrender.com. Log in to get more.